let's see the setups for the week. It is a short week, and it's Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Remember why we are celebrating this holiday. Thank you for everyone that has ever served in the United States military, Marine Corps, etc. Thank you for your service. So just wanted to start off with that and remember everybody who has served. Number two, I really want to get into what we are watching this week. This is going to be an incredible week. I think that there is going to be low volume, so keep that in mind. But there are some setups out there that I am really watching. I don't think that there's going to be a ton of opportunities this week. I think that we're starting to hit those most recent highs, and we're starting to scale down a little bit. So a couple more opportunities I'm seeing, but beware of some blood coming up here in the future because things are a little bit overpriced, believe it or not. So let's start off with the SPY. This is the weekly chart. I'm looking at this most recent high around 431. We're currently at 420. So if this continues to boom and get above this 421, we could be set sailing for, maybe a $3 day, a $4 day, and another $3 day before we start selling off. So I'm really looking at that 431 today. I think that might be pretty far-fetched for this week. One of my favorite plays is Tesla. I love this breakout. If you look at my segment of my next trade is definitely going to be this Tesla play. I'm already in some of them for this 210 for 2 weeks out. Pretty far out of the money. But I'm going to start to add to it, and if I see strength, I'm going to day trade it, all the good stuff. So peep that video if you have not yet seen it, and let me know if you like that analysis. If not, stay away from it, go against me, fade me, do whatever you want, but do your own due diligence. So I'm in the Tesla trade. I'm looking for this 198 crack to test this 200, and above 200, I think we run to 208. So Tesla is looking really good with this volume. Breaking out here, most recent breakout, and we closed above this most recent sell-off. So feels like that's a nice carving path for some more success to the upside. So I'm in Tesla right now. I might scale in. I might get stopped out. Who knows? But this is my biggest watch above this 198 to 200 to 208. And the reason 208, this most recent high over here. So Tesla is really great. And then I want to call out Google as well. I think that 126.50 break could be really nice towards run up to 127, 128, maybe even a 130. I think this would be a really nice day trade for this break. So this is my play. I'm going to alert myself, create an alert at or above around this 126.44 mark. This is most recent high. If we can get to that 125.50, I'm going to take these for this break or at least the test for a nice day trade. I think Google looks really great, and I also think Apple looks really great. I don't really trade Apple very much, but I think that this is going to go above this 176.39 pretty easily here. So as long as we don't gap up and I can see a nice little breakout above this 175.45, I'm going to be taking some action in this trade for another dollar rip, if not higher. So Apple, Google look really great. Tesla is a little bit shaky, but I think it could start taking off. Crypto is also doing really well right now. So keep on watch of coin. It's been consolidating for quite a while here, and it could just completely take off above the $64. Their premiums are a little bit priced out of whack, but keep this one in mind. And for any downside when the market starts to turn, I'm probably going to take some ENPH to this 150 level. I think that this looks really ugly. Earnings look really ugly, and if you zoom out on the weekly chart, this bad boy is really overpriced in my opinion. From 37 all the way back in October of 2021 to 165, ran to 339. We're starting to get hit pretty nicely. So this is one stock that hasn't really corrected. I would like to see it down below this 108-ish area. So looking for puts on that, but that's just the whole spiel. My biggest watchers are SPY for some continuation to the upside. Not sure how much I love that 431 level. It seems pretty far away. But do love this Apple 176 break on the daily chart. So keep on watch that for a day trade or a swing trade, whatever you guys like. Tesla might be my biggest play that I play this week. I'm looking for that 200 break to that 208. So we'll see if there's strength early on in the week, even though it's going to be low volume and low volatility. Obviously, in the video, we have to throw on there just in case it breaks this 394 because I think it's going to go right to 100 or 400. So I'm going to set an alert on there real quick. That's just kind of a bonus play. And then one of my favorite ones is definitely this Google play right here to break that 126. So Google, Apple, Tesla, always watching the video because it's been going crazy lately. A bonus play might be coin, but this all depends on if the market is going to continue to soar up or if we chop sideways. Just be careful of any sort of price action and don't gamble. Have your risk management, stop losses, and do your own due diligence. So biggest watches this week are the break on Google, Apple, and Tesla. So hope that helps you out. They're all the call sides, so we got to make sure that the market's strong. If the market's not strong, then this is all washed, and I'm most likely not going to trade any of those breaks. But on the downside, if there's anything that I would short, it'd probably be that ENPH if the market is weak. So keep those in mind. Hope that helps you out. 3 key levels: Apple, Google, and Tesla could be the biggest banger. That's my biggest watch. And if you haven't seen that video, I have a video all about Tesla and the trade that I'm thinking about taking. Not sure if I'm going to see the volume, the price action, or the orders coming in to end up going with that conviction. But that's my highest watch right now. So go watch that. It's my next trade category, and it's going to be all about the Tesla analysis. So if you like it, do your own due diligence, not financial advice. These are my biggest watches. Hope that helps you out, and let's have a beautiful week.